What up? It's your boy Mr. Nightmare, back with another video that feeds on the fears of your mind. One nightmare at a time. What's up? So I just got my box in for a new seat. I'm releasing an apparel line, and I got to do a video shoot within the next couple weeks or so. I had to schedule it with Mabry Media, based here in Atlanta. So we'll do a collab together, see how that turns out. I think it's going to turn out to be a phenomenal video. But yeah, I wanted to have a good seat because this will not do for a good video slash photo shoot. Not going to happen. So again, I bought a new seat. I bought a gel layer seat, Saddlemen. So I've slid open the box, but I haven't opened it yet. So I wanted to record myself because I think this will be freaking awesome. All right, here we go. I'm so nervous. Just the bullshit out of the way. Comes with a rear cover for the back seat, so it looks the same. Alright, easy 4 stars, possibly 5. Ooh. Oh, my butt's gonna feel pretty good on this. Oh man. Yeah, this feels like it's gonna give a much better ride when I ride. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, I love how the sides are gripped so you can feel it in between your legs. So it gives you more of a grip on it. Love it. I'm liking what I see. So let me install this and I will be right back. Okay, after pulling on this rear seat right here and yanking it to the point of extreme, almost to the point where I was like, this might tear. Somehow managed to get it on, but my hiney is going to feel very nice after this. So I'll put in the description or a comment as to how it feels. It's late today, so I'm not gonna ride today, but I will do a small ride tomorrow on the way to work. Kind of get a feel of how it feels in the seats, you know, in the turns and stuff like that. And I will give you guys, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Stay on the lookout. I do have an apparel line that's going to be coming out hopefully within the next couple weeks or so, and hopefully that will take off. I'm excited to present to you Nightmare Armor. I've hinted at it before, but now it's full on. I'll have my first couple of pairs of items out, like I said, around the time I release it. Let me know what you guys think. I'll be promoting it, trying to meet up in rides at points during the summer, and just seeing what people think of it. But overall, I'm just excited. It's just, you know, encompassing what it feels like to get on the bike and go. I freaking love it. Not going to stay long-winded on this, so until the next time, I'll try to pump out more videos. My laptop broke again. Pay these people all this money, and it still messes up, but whatever. So try to pump out more content as the weeks progress when I get my stuff back. In the meantime, stay safe on 2 wheels, but always remember, it's best to live free than to not live at all. Once again, Mr. Nightmare again, signing off.